Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Jetta hood with a broken latch. First, locate the hood release lever inside your car, typically on the driver's side. Pull it and observe if the hood slightly pops up or if the cable feels completely slack. If there's no tension, the cable is likely broken or disconnected. You'll need a few tools, including a flashlight and a long, thin screwdriver or a pick tool, to proceed with the manual release. Now, let's gain access to the latch. Gently pry the hood up a small amount, just enough to create a gap at the front. You can use a microfiber-wrapped pry bar or plastic panel tools to avoid damaging the paint or grille. Shine your flashlight into this gap to locate the main hood latch assembly. You should see two 10mm striker bolts that secure the latch to the hood. These are your targets for manual release. With the latch visible, carefully insert a long 10mm wrench through the gap between the hood and the grille. Begin to loosen the first 10mm striker bolt. This can be a bit tedious, as you might only be able to turn the wrench a quarter turn at a time. Once the first bolt is loose, move to the second. As both bolts loosen, the hood's pressure will help it rise, eventually freeing it from the latch mechanism. Once the bolts are sufficiently loose, the hood should pop open. Carefully lift it fully and secure it with the prop rod. Now is the perfect time to inspect the entire hood release cable and latch assembly for any damage or corrosion that caused the initial failure. Consider replacing any broken components to prevent this issue from recurring. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.